Hi guys, Organized Mom here. In this video I'm going to show you 3 simple hacks for putting your clothes away super easy and to allow your drawer to stay organized without putting a lot of time into it. Because time is money, you guys. This first hack is called the fast fold and I stand behind it. It comes out perfect every single time. You're going to start by folding the one side into the middle. Then you're going to take the other side and fold it into the middle as well. Then you're going to grab the bottom and fold it in half. Once it is folded in half, you are going to grab it and fold it in half a second time. I will show you one more time. You fold the one side into the middle. Then you will fold the other side into the middle as well. You will grab the bottom of the shirt and pull it up into half. Then grab the bottom again and fold it in half again. It'll take a little bit of practice, but once you get it, it is the best method. Tip number 2 is a simplified version. I'm just using this book that I already had. You could use anything this size, a notebook, a piece of cardboard, a cutting board, a clipboard, to name a few. Basically, you use the board like one of those expensive folders you can buy online, and you'll get a perfect folded shirt. So here again, I set the board up by the collar. I fold one side over and then the other side. I fold the bottom up, pull the board out. I fold one more time, and there you have it. Tip number 3 is how to hang shirts on hangers. What I used to do a long time ago was stretch the collar of my shirts, and that really ruins your shirt, and it actually takes a lot longer. I put the hanger through the bottom of my shirt. This is an amazing organizing hack, and it totally saves the collars of your shirt. After I did this once, I haven't gone back. So that is how I stay organized and making laundry a little less stressful.